Acre is the westernmost state in Brazil. The flag of Acre is divided diagonally into two sections of yellow and green, with a red star in the upper left corner. The name comes from the Rio Acre. It is an area of 58,912 square miles, or 152,581 square kilometers, which ranks it 16th in the country, and makes it a bit bigger than Bangladesh. It has a population of 829,780 people, which ranks it 25th in the nation, and is a bit less than Fiji. On average, the state is 600 feet, or 183 meters above sea level. It borders Bolivia and Peru, as well as the state of Amazonas. The capital of the state is Rio Branco, which has a population of 419,045 people, which is around half the state's overall population. Acre became a state in 1962. Alagoas is a state in northeastern Brazil. The flag of Alagoas is made up of 3 vertical stripes of red, white, and blue, along with the state's coat of arms in the center of the flag. Its name comes from the fact that it has many lakes. It is an area of 10,751.1 square miles, or 27,845.1 square kilometers, which ranks it 25th in the country, and makes it similar to Burundi, and has a population of 3,127,683 people, which ranks it 19th in the country, and is a bit more than Armenia. It has a coastline which is around 138 miles, or 220 kilometers. It borders the states of Pernambuco, Sergipe, and Bahia, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city in the state is Maceió, which has a population of 957,916 people, which is a third of the population. Alagoas became a state in 1889. Amapá is a state in northern Brazil. It is an area of 55,141 square miles, or 142,815 square kilometers, which ranks it 18th in the country, and makes it a bit bigger than Greece. It has a population of 774,268 people, which ranks it 26th in the nation. It is a bit more than Guyana. Amapá was originally part of the state of Para. It contains the world's largest tropical forest park, called Tumucumaque National Park. It borders French Guiana and Suriname, as well as the state of Para and the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city in the state is Macapá. Amapá became a state in 1990. Amazonas is a state in northwest Brazil. The flag of Amazonas is made up of 3 horizontal stripes of white and red with a blue field containing 25 stars in the upper left corner of the flag. It is an area of 606,468 square miles, or 1,570,146 square kilometers, which makes it the largest state in the country, and is a bit bigger than Mongolia. It has a population of 3,952,262 people, which ranks it 13th in the nation, and is a bit more than Croatia. It borders Venezuela, Peru, and Colombia, as well as the states of Roraima, Para, Mato Grosso, Rondônia, and Acre. The capital and largest city in the state is Manaus. Amazonas became a state in 1852. Bahia is a state in eastern Brazil. The flag of Bahia is made up of 4 horizontal stripes of red and white with a blue field, featuring a white triangle. The name means bay. It is an area of 218,029 square miles, or 564,693 square kilometers, which ranks it 5th in the country, and makes it a bit smaller than Kenya. It has a population of 14,659,023 people, which ranks it 4th in the nation, and is a bit less than South Sudan. It borders the states of Tocantins, Goiás, Minas Gerais, Espírito Santo, Sergipe, Alagoas, Pernambuco, and Piauí. The capital and largest city in the state is Salvador. Bahia became a state in 1889. Ceará is a state in northeastern Brazil. The flag of Ceará features the yellow rhombus, containing a white disc, with the state's coat of arms, all on top of a green background. It is an area of 57,462 square miles, or 148,862 square kilometers, which ranks it 17th in the country, and makes it a bit bigger than Bangladesh. It has a population of 8,936,431 people, which ranks it 8th in the nation, which is a bit less than Switzerland. It borders the states of Rio Grande do Norte, Piauí, Paraíba, and Pernambuco, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city in the state is Fortaleza, which has a population of 2,596,157 people. Espírito Santo is a state in eastern Brazil. The flag of Espírito Santo is made up of 3 horizontal stripes of blue, white, and pink, with blue text which translates to work and trust. In the center of the flag, it is an area of 17,791 square miles, or 46,078 square kilometers, which ranks it 23rd in the country, and makes it a bit bigger than Estonia. It has a population of 3,975,100 people, which ranks it 15th in the nation, and is a bit less than Panama. It borders the states of Bahia, Rio de Janeiro, and Minas Gerais, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital of the state is Vitória, and the largest city is Serra. Espírito Santo became a state in 1889. Goiás is a state in south-central Brazil. The flag of Goiás is made up of 8 horizontal stripes of green and yellow, along with 5 white stars, on top of a blue field. In the upper left corner of the flag is an area of 131,308 square miles, or 340,087 square kilometers, which ranks it 7th in the country, and makes it a bit bigger than Finland, and has a population of 6,950,976 people, which ranks it 11th in the nation, and is a bit less than Libya. It borders the states of Minas Gerais, Bahia, Mato Grosso do Sul, and Mato Grosso. The capital and largest city in the state is Goiânia, which has a population of over 1 million people. Goiás became a state in 1889. Maranhão is a state in northern Brazil. The flag of Maranhão is made up of 9 horizontal stripes of red, white, and black, with a white star on top of a blue field. In the upper left corner of the flag is an area of 128,179 square miles, or 331,983 square kilometers, which ranks it 8th in the country, and is a bit bigger than Vietnam. It has a population of 6,800,605 people, which ranks it 10th in the nation, and is a bit less than Nicaragua. It borders the states of Tocantins, Para, and Piauí, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city in the state is São Luís, which has a population of over 1 million people. Maranhão became a state in 1889. Mato Grosso is a state in central Brazil. The flag of Mato Grosso features a yellow star on top of a green circle, on top of a white rhombus, on top of a blue blue background. It is an area of 348,788 square miles, or 903,358 square kilometers, which ranks it third in the country, and is a bit smaller than Venezuela. It has a population of 3,784,239 people, which ranks it 17th in the nation, and is a bit more than Eritrea. It borders Bolivia, as well as states of Rondônia, Amazonas, Para, Tocantins, Goiás, and Mato Grosso do Sul. The capital and largest city in the state is Cuiabá, which has a population of over 500,000 people. Mato Grosso became a state in 1889. Mato Grosso do Sul is a state in southwest Brazil. The flag of Mato Grosso do Sul features a green triangle in the upper left corner, separated with a diagonal stripe for the blue rest of the flag, with the yellow 5-point star in the lower left corner. It is an area of 137,887 square miles, or 357,125 square kilometers, which ranks it 6th in the country, and is a little smaller than Germany. It has a population of 2,833,742 people, which ranks it 21st in the nation, and has a bit more than Jamaica. It borders Bolivia, Paraguay, as well as the states of Goiás, Mato Grosso, Minas Gerais, Sao Paulo, and Paraná. The capital and largest city in the state is Campo Grande, and has a population of 786,797 people. Mato Grosso do Sul became a state in 1889. Minas Gerais is a state in southeast Brazil. The flag of Minas Gerais features a red triangle, surrounded by black Latin text, which translates to liberty, even if delayed, all on top of a white background. The name of the state translates to General Mines. It has an area of 226,460 square miles, or 586,528 square kilometers, which ranks it 4th in the country, and is a bit bigger than Botswana. It has a population of 20,732,660 people, which ranks it 2nd in the nation, and is a bit more than Malawi. It borders Mato Grosso do Sul, Sao Paulo, Rio de Janeiro, Espírito Santo, Bahia, and Goiás. The capital and largest city in the state is Belo Horizonte. Minas Gerais became a state in 1891. Para is a state in northern Brazil. The flag of Para features a diagonal white stripe with red on either side, as well as a blue 5-point star in the center of the flag. It is an area of 481,736 square miles, or 1,247,690 square kilometers, which ranks it 2nd in the country, and is a bit bigger than Angola. It has a population of 8,442,962 people, which ranks it 9th in the nation, and is a bit less than Sierra Leone. It borders Suriname and Guyana, as well as the states of Amapá, Maranhão, Tocantins, Mato Grosso, and Amazonas, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city in the state is Belém, which has a population of 1,393,399 people. Para became a state in 1889. Paraíba is a state in northeast Brazil. The name of the state comes from words meaning arm of the river. The flag of Paraíba features a vertical black stripe on the left side and a red field on the right, with white text on top, which translates into "to refuse." It is an area of 21,792 square miles, or 56,440 square kilometers, which ranks it 21st in the country, and is a bit smaller than Croatia, and has a population of 4,030,961 people, which ranks it 13th in the nation, and is a bit less than Panama. It borders Ceará, Pernambuco, and Rio Grande do Norte, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city is João Pessoa, which has a population of 723,515 people. Paraná is a state in southern Brazil. It was named after the Parana River, or the Rio Parana, which is the 2nd longest river in South America. The flag of Paraná features a blue circle with 5 stars, representing the Southern Cross, as well as a white stripe with the state's name in green text, above a pine branch and a yerba mate branch, all on top of a diagonal white stripe crossing through the center of the flag, with green on either side. It's an area of 76,956 square miles, or 199,315 square kilometers, which ranks it 15th in the country, and is a bit smaller than Kyrgyzstan, and has a population of 11,835,379 people, which ranks it 5th in the nation, and is a bit more than Papua New Guinea. It borders Paraguay and Argentina, as well as the states of Sao Paulo, Mato Grosso do Sul, and Santa Catarina. The capital and largest city in the state is Curitiba, and has a population of 1,751,907 people. Paraná became a state in 1891. Pernambuco is a state in northeast Brazil. The flag of Pernambuco features a red cross on a white stripe at the bottom of the flag, below a white or blue stripe, with a yellow sun, rainbow, and a yellow 5-pointed star. It is an area of 37,958 square miles, or 98,312 square kilometers, which ranks it 19th in the country, and is a bit bigger than Hungary. It has a population of 9,051,113 people, which ranks it 7th in the nation, and is a bit more than Switzerland. It borders the states of Ceará, Paraíba, Alagoas, Piauí, and Bahia, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city in the state is Recife, which has a population of 1,494,586 people. Pernambuco became a state in 1889. Piauí is a state in northeast Brazil. The flag of Piauí is made up of 13 horizontal stripes of green and yellow, with a blue field in the upper left corner, containing a white 5-pointed star, and white text which translates to March 13th, 1823. It is an area of 97,116 square miles, or 251,529 square kilometers, which ranks it 11th in the country, and is a bit bigger than Guinea. It has a population of 3,270,174 people, which ranks it 18th in the nation, and is a bit less than Uruguay. It borders the states of Tocantins, Ceará, Pernambuco, Bahia, and Maranhão, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city in the state is Teresina, which has a population of 814,230 people. Piauí became a state in 1889. Rio de Janeiro is a state in southeast Brazil. The flag of Rio de Janeiro is divided into 4 sections, of white and light blue, with the state's coat of arms in the center of the flag. It has an area of 16,871 square miles, or 43,696 square kilometers, which ranks it 24th in the country, and is a bit bigger than Denmark. It has a population of 16,615,526 226 people, which ranks it third in the nation, and is a bit less than Ecuador. It borders the states of Espírito Santo, Minas Gerais, and Sao Paulo, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city of the state is Rio de Janeiro, which has a population of 6,211,223 people, and is what the state was named after. Rio de Janeiro became a state in 1889. Rio Grande do Norte is a state in northeast Brazil. The flag of Rio Grande do Norte features the coat of arms of the state, on top of two horizontal stripes of green and white. It is an area of 20,385 square miles, or 52,797 square kilometers, which ranks at 22nd in the country, and is a bit smaller than Croatia. It has a population of 3,303,953 people, which ranks at 16th in the nation, and is a bit less than Uruguay. It borders the states of Ceará and Paraíba, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city of the state is Natal, which has a population of 803,739 people. Rio Grande do Norte became a state in 1899. Rio Grande do Sul is a state in southern Brazil. The flag of Rio Grande do Sul features the state's coat of arms, on top of three diagonal stripes of green, red, and yellow. It is an area of 108,784 square miles, or 281,749 square kilometers, which ranks it 9th in the country, and is a bit bigger than Burkina Faso. It has a population of 11,088,065 people, which ranks it 6th in the nation, and is a little bit smaller than Cuba. It borders Argentina and Uruguay, as well as the state of Santa Catarina and the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city in the state is Porto Alegre, which has a population of 1,404,269 people. Rondônia is a state in western central Brazil. The flag of Rondônia features a green triangle at the bottom of the flag, with two yellow triangles on either side, and a horizontal dark blue stripe at the top, along with a white 5-point star in the center. It is an area of 91,729 square miles, or 237,576 square kilometers, which ranks at 13th in the country, and is a bit bigger than Laos, and has a population of 1,616,379 people, which ranks at 23rd in the nation, and is a bit more than Bahrain. It borders Bolivia, as well as the states of Mato Grosso and Amazonas. The capital and largest city of the state is Porto Velho, which has a population of 428,527 people. Rondônia became a state in 1982. Roraima is a state in northern Brazil. The flag of Roraima features a gold 5-pointed star, on top of three horizontal stripes of blue, white, and green, with a narrow red stripe near the bottom of the flag. It is an area of 86,602 square miles, or 224,229 square kilometers, which ranks at 14th in the country, and is a bit bigger than Guyana. It has a population of 634,605 people, which ranks it last in the nation, and is a bit more than Montenegro. It borders Venezuela and Guyana, as well as the states of Pará and Amazonas. The capital and largest city of the state is Boa Vista, which has a population of 284,313 people. Roraima became a state in 1990. Santa Catarina is a state in southern Brazil. The flag of Santa Catarina features the coat of arms, on top of a green diamond, on top of three horizontal stripes of red and white. It is an area of 36,813 square miles, or 95,345 square kilometers, which ranks at 20th in the country, and is a bit bigger than Hungary, and has a population of 7,762,154 people, which ranks at 10th in the nation, and is a bit more than Laos. It borders Argentina, as well as the states of Rio Grande do Sul and Paraná, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital is Florianopolis, and the largest city is Joinville, which has a population of 515,288 people. Santa Catarina became a state in 1889. Sao Paulo is a state in southeast Brazil. The flag of Sao Paulo features a blue shape of Brazil, on top of a white circle, surrounded by four yellow 5-point stars, on top of a red field, all in the upper left corner, with the rest of the flag being made up of 13 horizontal stripes of white and black. It is an area of 95,834 square miles, or 248,209 square kilometers, which ranks at 12th in the country, and is a bit bigger than Guinea. It has a population of 46,024,937 people, which ranks at first in the nation, and is a little less than Algeria. It borders the states of Minas Gerais, Rio de Janeiro, Paraná, and Mato Grosso do Sul, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city of the state is Sao Paulo, which is also the largest city in Brazil, and has a population of 12,284,940 people. Sao Paulo became a state in 1889. Sergipe is a state in northeast Brazil. The flag of Sergipe is made up of four horizontal stripes of green and yellow, with 5 white 5-pointed stars on top of a blue field. In the upper left corner of the flag is an area of 8,459 square miles, or 21,910 square kilometers, which ranks it last in the country, and is a bit smaller than Israel. It has a population of 2,211,868 people, which ranks it 22nd in the country, and is a bit more than Slovenia. It borders the states of Alagoas and Bahia, as well as the Atlantic Ocean. The capital and largest city in the state is Aracaju, which has a population of 571,149 people. Tocantins is a state in north central Brazil. The flag of Tocantins features a gold sun, on top of a diagonal white stripe, with a blue triangle and a yellow triangle on either side. It is an area of 107,190 square miles, or 277,621 square kilometers, which ranks at 10th in the country, and is a bit bigger than Burkina Faso, and has a population of 1,584,306 people, which ranks at 24th in the nation, and is a bit less than Bahrain. It borders the states of Goiás, Pará, Mato Grosso, Maranhão, Piauí, and Bahia. The capital and largest city of the state is Palmas, which has a population of 228,332 people. Tocantins became a state in 1989.